Hey guys, Dustin Ortiz here, and last video we made the paper gun, the easiest one in the world. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a shotgun, and I made this a long time ago, and maybe I thought it was okay if, and then I thought I should put it on YouTube. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make it. So what you're gonna need is 4 papers, maybe 5, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold them. You're gonna make 5 of these just in case, because we might need an extra one. And you're gonna need, pretty sure you're gonna need probably scissors, but you might need tape. But yeah, so we're gonna fold it like this. You're gonna make it like this. Once you fold this, you're gonna make another one, and you're gonna fold them. Sorry if this might take long, I just don't know how to make it faster, so yeah, I'll try my best. Oh god, this is gonna be a long video. You guys can, skip it probably 10 seconds. Once this video comes out, it's probably gonna take a long time. And the last one, you guys can try to make 4. Actually, yeah, you're gonna need 4 and scissors. I just remembered. Alright, here comes the juicy stuff. So, after making this last one, alright. Sorry, I'm just trying to fix something. Alright, so you're gonna need 2 of these. Actually, you're gonna need 1 of these. We're gonna get scissors and cut one in half. Okay. So you're gonna tape it. And you're gonna use one. You're gonna get one of these paper folded paper things. Then you're gonna tape that. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to go like this. You're gonna want to put it crooked. And then I think you might just need 3. And I want to cup the top, or you can leave the top if you want to. So once you do that, we're gonna tape it. Oh god, I might need a little bit more paper. Then to you, it's gonna look like this. Ooh, and then you're gonna use this little part because you cut half of this paper, and then you're gonna put it right here. And you could tape it a little bit so it makes it look like you can move it. Then once you kind of tape it, Well, for me, I'm probably not gonna tape it, but I'm not gonna like tape it a little bit. I'm just gonna keep it like this. And then you make your shotgun. If you want to add a barrel, you can add a barrel. I don't know. It's up to you guys. I'm just gonna use a pistol as a barrel. Then once you do that, you're gonna tape it, obviously. And then you make your grip for your end. Ah, what the heck is it? This is getting me mad. What the heck? And once you complete that, it should be good to go. So that's how you make your shotgun. And if you want to make the longer barrel, the barrel longer, you're gonna use one of your other ones of these. Then you're just gonna you're gonna open this, and you're gonna kind of want to fold the paper, and then just put it, squeeze it, and then it makes it go in there. And then, what? Oh, great. And once you do that, you can make your shotgun barrel longer, so you might have completed your shotgun. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'm sorry I can't take so long making these. I barely just realized, but yeah, that's how you make your shotgun. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and you can also make a scope. And yeah, oh yeah, guys. Oop, what? Oh, my dog Toby just came in the room. Oh shoot. Look, it's my cute little dog Toby. Wait, what the heck? Is this backwards? I can't tell. I don't know. But yeah, if it's backward, you could just go on your settings and put stop rotation so you can see it. But it's my little dog right there. His name is Toby. Hey Toby, what are you doing? You just being a little cute? Came to see him that I was making a video? Well yeah, anyways, yeah guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. You gotta be kidding me, I literally just made it. Anyways, do not use this type of tape because it's very unstickable. But yeah, that's how I make your shotgun. I hope you enjoyed. So yeah.